Hello, my name is Kim. If your system already sent us an electronic message with airwaybill information, this is how you create a booking. You go to the menu and you click on airwaybill. Here you enter the airwaybill that you want to create the booking for and click on continue. And here all the information that is received from the electronic message is shown. You can enter or change the details if needed, or you can scroll down to the bottom to select Find Offers to find an offer. And here on step 2, you find the offer that you want to create the booking for. Select the offer. You are returned to the previous screen with all the information here. In the bottom, as you scroll down, you click on Skip to Summary and Declaration. Here on Summary and Declaration, you enter the missing details. Click in the Agree to the airwaybill Terms and Conditions and submit the airwaybill. Here you select from the drop-down the reason for amendment, and in the description you add a free text and then you click on Proceed. And that is how you create a booking.